Good day to all. So, I'm going to discuss the topics from the research methods. I'm Professor G.K. Bichu, Professor and Dean E-Learning, University of Garden City, Khartoum, Sudan. The objective of the course is a research-oriented seminar-type course that will focus on the state-of-the-art in various areas of research methods or research methodology. The syllabus, which is like introduction, what is research, model of scientific inquiry, problem identification and hypothesis, logical thinking, how to review literature, policy action, interpretive research, research methods, writing research proposal, writing process, survey research, research data management, etc. And here I am giving you the prescribed text, research methodology, methods and techniques by C.R. Kothari. So objective of the subject is to understand the meaning of research, to understand the meaning of research methodology, to understand the objective of the research, and to understand the basic steps of conducting research. So what is meant by a research? We can tell it's a systematic process of collecting and analyzing information in order to increase our understanding of the phenomenon about what we are connected or interested. Or in other sense, it can be considered as a creative and systematic work or systematic work undertaken to increase the stock of knowledge. It involves a collection, organization, and analysis of information to increase understanding of a topic or issue. The research projects may be an expansion on past work in the field. So we can tell that it's a scientific approach for answering a research question, solving a research problem, or generating new knowledge through a systematic and orderly collection, organization, and analysis of data, with the ultimate goal of making the finding of research useful in decision making. Why do we call the research as a scientific? Because any research endeavor is said to be scientific if it is based on empirical or measurable evidence measurable evidence subject to specific principles of reasoning. It consists of systematic observations, measurements, and experimentation. It relies on the application of the scientific methods and harnessing of curiosity. It provides scientific information and theories for the explanation of nature. It makes practical application possible, and it ensures adequate analysis of data, employing rigorous statistical techniques. The chief characteristics which distinguishes the scientific method from other methods of acquiring knowledge is that scientists seek to let reality speak for itself, supporting a theory when a theory's predictions are confirmed and challenging a theory when it sees predictions prove false. So in other words, research is a careful and systematic process of inquiry to find answers to problems of interest. Research includes use of fact, use of theories, data analysis, data sampling, doing an experiment, going to library to read up to the topic. To do a research is to investigate the problem systematically and thoroughly. Goal of research is to solve problem of interest. The characteristics. So scientific research has multidimensional functions, characteristics, and objectives. Keeping these issues in view, we assert that research in any field or discipline attempt to solve a research problem involves gathering new data from primary or first-hand sources or using existing data for new purpose, is based upon observable experiences or empirical evidence, demands accurate observations and descriptions. Employee carefully designed procedures and rigorous analysis. Attempt to find an objective, unbiased solutions to a problem and takes great pain to validate the methods employed. Is a desirable and unhurried activity that is directional but often refines the problem or questions as a research progress. The characteristics can be considered as the research should focus on primarily problems, that is, originate with a question or problem, requires clear articulation of a goal, follows a specific plan or procedure, often divides many problems into subproblems, guided by specific problems, questions, or hypotheses, accepts certain critical assumptions, requires collection and interpretation of data, cyclical in nature. The research should be systematic. It emphasizes that a researcher should employ a structured procedure. The research should be logical. The research should be reductive. The research should be replicable. It should be generative. It should be action-oriented. It should follow an integrated multidisciplinary approach. It should be participatory. It must be relatively simple, timely, and time-bound, employing a comparatively simple design. It must be cost-effective as possible. The result of a research should be presented in formats most useful for administrators, decision makers, business managers, or the community members. The aim of research is to describe about a phenomena, to predict about something in the future, to explain about solution of problem, to interpret what is being investigated. So there are three basic operations for scientific research, like data collection, data analysis, report writing. Data collection that refers to observing, measuring, and recording data of information. Data analysis, on the other hand, refers to arranging and organizing the collected data so that we may be able to find out what their significance is and generalize about them. Report writing is the ultimate step of the study. Its purpose is to convey the information contained in it to the readers or audience. The scientific methods. Methods means ways, and methodology is a discipline of scientific procedures. So research methodology is a specific procedures or techniques used to identify, select, process, and analyze information about a topic. In a research paper, the methodology section allows the reader to critically evaluate a study's overall validity and reliability. But method, it is simply a research tool, a component of research. Say, for example, a quantitative method such as interviews. Methodology is a justification for using a particular research method. In other words, the key difference between research method and research methodology is the research method is defined as the procedure or techniques applied by the researcher to undertake research. On the other hand, research methodology is a system of methods used scientifically for solving the research problem. So methodology here, a series of steps and deliverables. In computer science terms, a collection of methods, procedures, techniques, tools, and documentations which helps the researcher in their efforts to conduct a research in the field of CS. Research methodology and methods. Conceptual methodology is a conceptual framework, whether methods is a technique. Research methodology, it will consist of phases, subphases, which will guide the researchers in their choice of the methods, techniques, procedures, tools, etc. that might be appropriate at each state of the research, and also help them plan, manage, control, and evaluate the progress of the research. So we can tell that it's a specific procedures or techniques used to identify, select, process, and analyze information about a topic. In other words, represents a way to develop research systematically, represents a way to do scientific inquiry, should have a sound theoretical background. Why we need methodology? So it will make you to better understand and utilize the scientific information in your personal life as well as your professional life. It will make you a more literate and cultured person. It also provides you some insight not only into particular scientific finding, but also into a general nature of science as a human activity. The nature of research. The research in computer science often requires experimental design as well as theoretical design. So when it comes to experimental design, we are having the science approach. When it comes to information system and IT, we are using engineering approach. So in science approach, we are going to make new knowledge, new theory, etc. And in engineering approach, it's the construction of useful products. How to start a research? So determine a well-defined problem. That is understanding about something, science approach, phenomena, theory, hypothesis, experiment, etc. Construction products, that is engineering approach. Build a system that performs a unique task, experiments, convergence results, etc. Follow the steps in the research methodology and research results, knowledge, algorithm, methods, products or model, etc. Or in other words, we can tell the 7 steps of the research process. Step number 1, identify and develop your topic. Step number 2, find background information. Step number 3, use catalogs to find books and media. Step number 4, use indexes to find periodical articles. Find additional internet resources. Evaluate what you find, and cite what you find using a standard format. And these methods or these steps can be explained with respect to a that is identification of the research problem, identification scope of research, identification research question, and identification research objectives which leads to hypothesis. That's all for this session. If you are having any queries, please write to me to my email address given in the starting of the lecture. Thank you for listening. Please wait and tune for the lecture number 2. Thank you.